Here on the WIX editor, you can just choose any specific section that you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this one. Just click on the section and then hit delete key on your keyboard. Or if your delete key was not working, on the specific section, you can just click on this more action right here on 3 dots and then click on delete. There you go. And then if you have a problem with the blank page here on one of your section right here at the top and at the bottom, to fix it, you want to click again on the specific section. And then right here, for example, I want to delete this blank page at the bottom of my section. To do it, I can just click right here on the 2 arrows that facing up and down and then drag it to the top. There you go. Now the blank page at the bottom is gone. And if the blank page is at the top of your section, you can just highlight or block all the element of the specific section. For example, I will block this one, all of it, and then move it up to cover the blank page. And then again, click on this arrow that facing up and down, and then move it up. And there you go. That's how to delete a section and a blank page on WIX. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.